putting my seeds into pots and listening to a TED Talk. My seeds arrived. I'm super excited about them. Parking job. It's a very narrow road, so I tried to get as close as I could, but wow, it actually was really good. Alright, we are headed to a coffee shop, which I've not been to before, but it sounds really good. Wait, this is, I think I'm gonna come down here. Okay. I'm going to look at a multifamily property later today in Everett, but with us potentially moving, it's kind of pointless, I guess, because we don't know it's so up in the air right now. If we're not moving, I guess we'll look into getting it. It's the one that I really like, because it's like 3 pretty much houses on a lot, and it's zoned multifamily, which is good because then we can try to use the rent income to qualify for the loan. It's quite expensive. Where do I go now? But yeah, so I have that at 4:30. I wanted to go look at the cherry blossoms at the campus. There's like a really pretty cherry blossoms that are blooming right now. So I'm gonna do that after I study, get some good walk-in, then go up there, and then my day will be done. Look at this. This place looks so pretty. Oh no, someone busted their window. That's just awful. I am at the location. I'm slightly early, which is great. There was terrible traffic from Seattle all the way up to Everett, and this is the house that has like 3 houses on it, and they're really nice. It's not like they're attached or anything. They're all like single houses, and they all have like little yard space, and the other one doesn't have yard space, but it has like a paved parking area back behind it. 2 of them have yard space. They're both really cute. The third one's not so cute. It's like on a back alley or something, but it's really nice. So I'm just hoping that they're not too run down, because the pictures were awful. Couldn't really tell anything about them, but I'm really excited. I think they're gonna be absolutely adorable. So I'm gonna go check them out and go see which one it is, because I don't really know, but it's in a really nice area that has a beautiful vantage point of the mountains. I'll have to show y'all when I get out. And oh, we also got good and bad news. So, you know, I was thinking we might potentially be moving, and I'd been preparing myself all week, you know, getting excited because in Bellingham we can get a nicer place, a bigger place, like 1,500 to 1,900 square feet. And it also would have more yard space and like established trees, and there'd be enough yard space for us to maybe start getting into like a plant business or something like that. I could build like a really beautiful, nice, kind of giant place for my plants and kind of like work on that, have the rare plants and like some trees and things like that and make it aesthetically beautiful. Also, like there was enough space there for us to be able to do that and have just a larger house that's more like not run down and falling apart, whereas here for the same price we would be getting something that's like 1,200 square feet if we're lucky, and maybe a fenced patio or super tiny yard, and just, you know, more like run down and old and worn out. So I'm kind of like a little disappointed, but I don't have to move because I won't lose my friends, so that'll be great. But I'm a little disappointed in just like where we potentially could be living, but we don't know at this point. Like, and also that they brushed him off again because he keeps applying to these positions and they keep picking other people, even though he's one of the best workers there. I would say probably the best. Like, he always manages everything like very well, and he always makes sure that everything's taken care of, and he pushes a lot of metrics. He's very good at his job and very good at managing the people and getting the people to kind of like buy into whatever it is he's doing, because he's really good at like empathizing, working with them, and also just operational wise, and also knowing how to work around things and issues, and also dealing with customers that are very volatile and being able to just do so much. So he's one of the best workers. I just feel like he's not really being recognized. But the good thing is that his GM right now, I think she's thinking about him moving up actually into her position. So that would be amazing because we wouldn't have to move very far, and the pay is really, really good. So I think it would actually be an amazing move. And this was actually the position we really wanted him to eventually end up getting or being in the area. And so I just hope that it happens soon, because our apartment is, you know, we're month to month right now, but they're going to be reevaluating that and they're sending it out. So I hope that it happens before our apartment makes us decide what we're doing, because we're not going to buy anything until he gets his position and potential like raise. And so we just are waiting right now. But I'm a little excited again, I guess, to be staying in this area. So looking at this multi-house is not a complete waste, because we potentially might buy it. I don't know. We'll see how nice it looks and what it looks like on the inside. I'm not sure if I can film. That's the only thing. I'm probably not going to film because I don't want people to feel uncomfortable, because there are tenants in it right now, and it was actually really hard to get a showing. I canceled a few times, or they canceled on me, Redfin, and so that was just kind of going on. But I think they just texted me, so I should probably get going. I made a friend. Hello. Hi there. I went and looked at the houses. They're right over there. There's two, and there's one back behind it. The one behind it, though, they said the person has not paid rent, and so it's probably really bad. We couldn't go look at it. Both of the houses were in really bad shape. One of them they probably need $400,000 of work between the three of them, maybe more.